The following contest is an Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring from Hollywood, Florida, weighing in at 218 pounds, Dolph Ziggler.
Yeah.
And approaching the ring from Davenport, Iowa, weighing in at 217 pounds, Seth Rollins.
You know, to these great fans in Cleveland, I'm told tickets to this event sold out in record time. I think we've got a moment here. And for Dolph Ziggler, what can you tell us?
That's someone who gets it. Someone who knows the value of hard work and dedication.
Yeah.
So much on the line of this one, and like they say, on any given night, anything can happen in WWE.
That's something I learned early on in my stay here in the WWE.
Yeah, after that I beat you.
Yeah, absolutely anything can happen in the WWE. Even that.
Seth's entertainment began when he was 3 years old. Rollins' father and grandfather took him to see his first WWE show at the Wharton Fieldhouse in his hometown of Davenport, Iowa, and that's when it all began.
Man, that was some miss, all right. I could feel the breeze all the way over here. Michael, Seth wanted to follow his dream to WWE, literally. And Rollins with the reversal.
Take this look at this man. He's all business.
And that's the way he has to be if he wants to win here tonight. To a superstar like Seth Rollins, who was actually in the crowd for WrestleMania. It doesn't get much cooler than that.
The range of emotions here at the source, the only thing they have to worry about is declaring.
And now Seth Rollins could have this match in the bag.
Hey, amigos.
Look at Rollins going for the quick pin. What a scout. And a kick out.
The kick out's all that's safe. You know, Cole, we could go on and on listing all of Seth Rollins' astonishing moves. And let's remember,
Bueno, pero estoy viendo
Rollins
que
tags
es
a ball
nota.
hurting the ribs and the lower back. That just takes all of the power out of him.
Seth Rollins feeds off chaos. Got a quick cover by Seth Rollins. And his shoulders up now. That's a kick out.
Nice.
Nice counter by Ziggler.
Yeah, he may be a show-off, but he's such an amazing natural.
Some other source. The show-off's got his second win. Throwing his third
Super kick.
I love it. A great super kick. Oh, you can hear it in the crowd's reaction. Seth Rollins will
Makes the cover. And he kicks out.
and he lifts. Uh-oh. Big move coming. Oh, look at Dolph. Just sizing him
Look
up.
at Dolph.
He's so proud of himself. Into the sleeper hold. Cutting off the flow of blood to the brain. It essentially knocks you out, but you can call it sleeping. Look at him trying to, and there's the release. What's going to happen? And the locker room knows that when that bell rings, it's on. And Rollins is in attack mode. Did you see the WWE fans pay attention? They know they're going to see one of the most talented superstars to ever lace up a pair of...
Pedigree. This one is in.
The shoulders are down.
And it's up. He got the shoulder up after the amount of punishment he suffered. Ziggler works his way out of trouble.
And Ziggler's quickness never ceases to amaze me. Timber! Uh-oh. Climbing the turnbuckle. He takes to the air. Wow.
Watching the scene at extreme.
Look out below. And he goes for the cover.
This is it. Fans include
Diabolical things are going through that mind right now. When you get in control
can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. You're right on that goal.
Look at this. He's in full control of this one.
Oh, what a shot. That did some serious damage. You can't take too many of those and expect to be in the match much longer.
Look at this. Dolph Ziggler doing some...
He's sending a message to the entire WWE. Seth Rollins is looking for the decisive end. Suicide dive.
Not today, too fast.
Look at these two giving it their all. There's absolutely no...
The shoulders are down.
It's over. It's all over.
Bueno gente, espero que les haya gustado el video, le den por arriba si quieren hacer mi canal. Chao.